Hi, my name is Kim. I'm a new Lilla Rose independent stylist, and if you've never heard of Lilla Rose before, I'm going to show you the amazing products that they make and I'm going to be selling. The main product that they sell is called the Flexi Clip, and I first saw it at an event that I went to. I fell in love with it. I bought about 6 of them, and now I'm doing it myself. So I wanted to show you, this is what the Flexi Clip looks like. This is my favorite one. It's a dragonfly. And I'm going to show you just briefly how to put it in. It's really easy. It's got this flexible, it's flexible, and this pin just goes in and then it just holds it together and holds the hair. I will show you real quick how to do it. So, you pull your hair back. And you twist it. Put the pin through, catch as much hair as you can, and then voila, it's up. My hair just got cut, so it doesn't all stay in, but it will stay all day. It's really comfortable, and it doesn't pull at your hair, and when you go to take it out, it doesn't tug any of your hair out either. So this is one of their headbands, which I'm going to put on as well to keep the rest of my hair back. It's super comfortable, it is adjustable, and it comes in different colors to match your hair, this part right here. So I just put it on like a necklace, and then it's stretchy, and I can just pull it back and get the hair out of my face, and that will stay in all day as well. So let me just show you a few of the items that I pulled out that I think are really cool and are my favorite ones. This is peacock. Look at all the different colors, and it dangles, and it's really bright and beautiful. And then I have an owl, which I know a few owl lovers out there that might be interested in getting one of these. And then this one's for all you horse lovers out there. And here's another one. It's a bee, and it's got all different honey colors, which I thought was really unique and different. And then there's also a couple that are more dressy looking for maybe, you know, a party or even a wedding or a prom. So there's so many different styles and colors, and they're all come in different sizes as well, as you can see on the table. It ranges from extra, extra small all the way up to this one is an extra large, and there is one size larger than that as well. A couple other items that Lilla Rose makes. This is a hair stick, usually for people with longer hair. It's kind of like a chopstick, but they all have the decorative tops. And these are called U-pins, which I'm still learning a little bit about, but they all have decorative ends on them as well, and they come in different sizes. Then these are bobby pins, and all the bobby pins have decorative things on them as well, so they're not just like your plain old boring bobby pins, and they stay in all day as well. They're really, really strong. And then there's also some other, they look like the Flexi Clip, but they come with a separate stick, and they're like a leather material, and they're flexible, and then the stick just goes through. So that's something different as well. So that's just a sampling of the things that Lilla Rose offers. I'm starting this up because I fell in love with the product, and I'm really excited about it, and I want to share it with all of my family and friends. And I'm having a startup party So I'm going to post the link to it on my page. If you're interested in ordering something, you can order it through that link. I have a Facebook page and an Instagram page as well. I'm still learning Instagram, so that might take a little while to get up, but I would appreciate it if you would like my page and share it with all of your friends and family. And if anybody has any questions or comments, feel free to post them or instant message me. So thank you for taking the time to listen. I really appreciate it. And go Pats!